Hello, hello. It's Business Partner B1 Plus, Unit 3, Business Workshop 3, Social Media Manager Required. We are learning in this unit about job interviews. We are learning the role of the interviewer, and we are learning about the role of the interviewee. We've seen many job interview questions. Why to ask them, how to ask them, and how to answer them. Because if we are in the position of an interviewee, we have to know how to answer well. Remember, be sincere, but respond well. It's very important to know what they want to know from us and how to deliver a good answer. Even if the situation is a bit negative because we don't have the experience, the qualifications, we can answer positively. And this is very important for us to get the job. But here we have this job, social media manager. There's a company that requires that. Let's see 3 candidates and let's analyze which one is the best one for the position. Learners can compare CVs, resumes, talk about professional experience, and ask and answer questions in job interviews. Aha! So we are going to ask questions. Whoa! All right, what's the background? We have this job advert. Let's read the job advert and answer the questions with a partner. So we have these 7 questions. Let's read the questions. Then we have here this job advert, and then we are going to work on the questions. What kind of job is being advertised? Who's the employer? Is experience necessary for the job? What kind of work experience would be useful? What kind of candidate are they looking for? What kinds of qualities and skills are required? Would you apply for this job? Why? Why not? What would you say about yourself in a 1-minute CV? 1-minute video CV? What's that? We're going to see 3 examples. Very nice lesson today. And why do you think some companies like to ask for video CVs? Let's see. Let's read the advert. Social media manager required. Do you have a proven track record in communications and marketing? Are you a social media addict? Would you like to join our multilingual creative team? Media Solutions is a prestigious media company specializing in media and PR solutions. PR, yes, public relations. Public relations solutions for clients worldwide. We are based in the city of Copenhagen, although our clients range from engineering firms in Germany to high street chains in Singapore. Job responsibilities include managing and contributing to our social media sites, improving the profiles of key clients in social media, delivering easy-to-read social media reports and updates for clients, liaising with both the marketing team and key clients, reporting to their head of communications. Candidates with relevant experience in social media are preferred, although previous experience in a management position is not required. You must be a team player and be able to work to tight deadlines. Knowledge of languages is desirable. The salary is negotiable according to experience. Applicants must send a CV with a covering letter and a short video CV to our HR manager at jobs@mediasolutions.com. Your video CV should be 1 minute long and answer the question, why should we hire you? So this is the advert. Let's go back to the questions. What kind of job is being advertised? Social media manager, right? For what company? Media Solutions, right? Who is the employer? Media Solutions. What is it? It's a media company specialized in media and public relations solutions for clients around the world, right? Is experience necessary for the job? Yes. The candidate should have experience in social media. This is important. Relevant experience in social media and experience in communications and marketing is also required. Languages could be positive, right? And so they said something about track record, right? Where is it? Although previous, you must be a team player. All right, salary is negotiable. Yes, well, good. What kind of work experience would be useful? Well, work experience that is useful. Previous experience in management is not necessary, but would be useful, of course, because the position is for a manager, right? Previous experience in a management position is not a requirement, but could be useful, right? Yes, you have a proven track record in communications and marketing. So you have to prove that you have worked with communications and marketing, right? 4. What kind of candidate are they looking for? Here, someone who's a team player, is able to work to tight deadlines, who could work with different languages, right? If possible. And of course, someone who's a social media addict. What's the meaning of addict? Addict is viciado, someone who has an addiction in social media. So if the person likes it very much, the person is a better candidate, right? Would you apply for this job? I wouldn't, because I don't have a track record in communications and marketing. Well, I do have, because of a previous job, but I'm not specialized in that because of this. And I think it's a bit stressful because I'm not a social media addict. Because of it, mainly. 6. What would you say about yourself in a 1-minute video CV? Hi, I'm Marcos Sinki. I don't know. What would you say? Shall we prepare a 1-minute video to sell ourselves? Wow, that's wonderful, right? Wonderful. And 7. Why do you think some companies like to ask for video CVs. Don't you think that it's engaging? You show a lot who you are with a video, right? A video CV would also test a candidate's communication skills and whether they are confident and good at speaking in public. Do you get nervous if you record a video? Do you? You see, it would also test their level of English. I speak is good English. I am advanced English. So you can write well, but imagine you have to show that you speak well, and a video CV would demonstrate that. You see the difference from a written CV. The candidates sent a CV and a video CV. Wow, crazy, right? Crazy. Would you like to be analyzed from your video CV? What do you think? Well, I think it would be okay for me. I record videos all the time, so not that it's really easy for me, but I think it's okay. What do we have to do here? We have video CVs, something new for us. We have these 3 people. But before we talk about these 3 people, let's see. Student A is the human resources manager and student B is the head of communications at Media Solutions, that company. Use your notes from exercise 1 to make a list of the qualities, skills, and experience your ideal candidate will have. So we have to go back, take a look at these questions, the advertisement, the advert, and collect from here qualities, skills, and experience that the candidate should have. Why are we doing this exercise? Because we have to have a clear idea what the company needs. Why? Because we are going to see 3 video CVs. These 3 women here recorded their videos and we are going to watch them. We are going to watch them and see which one is the best candidate. So I'm not going to give the answer for this part 2, the second part, because I think we should discuss that during the live lesson. But please, it's based on the advert and the questions from exercise 1. And then we are going to watch the videos and talk about these women here. Who are they? Watch or listen to each applicant, Amalia, Birte, and Cindy. Birte, Birte, I don't know, is she German? Take notes about their qualities, skills, and experience. Qualities, skills, and experience. What are your first impressions of each candidate? Amalia, Birte, and Cindy. You have the access to the videos, so you are going to watch and take notes, because during the live lesson we are going to talk about them again. All right? And finally, for this first part of the lesson, work with your partner again and compare your notes and first impressions about these 3 women. Who is the best at selling herself and why? Only from the pictures, who do you think are well prepared for the video? From the appearance, I think that Amalia's hair and clothes are very well chosen. What do you think of Birte's clothes? Is it appropriate? Are they appropriate? well, we see a t-shirt, a blouse. Isn't it a bit too open, too sporty and formal? And her hair, don't you think that she could have done something better with that? And Cindy, well, can you criticize her? I can't criticize her. I think that Amalia is well dressed for the video, but I haven't heard any of them yet. Yes, of course I have. But you know, I'm asking you to think about their appearance before listening, before watching the videos. So watch the videos, and try to take notes from qualities about qualities, their qualities, skills, and experience. Okay, and then we are going to discuss who the best ones are. Well, basically, this is it for the first lesson on this business workshop, right? See you at the live lesson. Bye bye.